Hello, Adrian, and hello, everyone else watching.
Hi, Karin, and hello, everybody.
Today, we decided to speak a little bit about what could lead to possible failure when it comes to coaching. Adrian, what is your biggest insight when it comes to that?
Well, Karin, in my experience, when it comes to coaching, there are two types of coaches. Those who truly want to be there and they are willing to put in the effort to make positive changes in their lives, and those who don't want to be there. And I've experienced that quite a bit lately. I always make the analogy with running. If you train for a marathon and you hire a good coach, the coach can give you a training program, but it is you that has to go out and do those training runs. Otherwise, nothing is going to work. And the same goes in our field of work. The coaches can come to these sessions, they can get breakthroughs, aha moments, and so on, but they have to go and apply everything that they learn in between the coaching course. Otherwise, they're not going to succeed and the coaching will fail. In other words, in short, you cannot help someone who does not want to be helped. What are your insights on this, Karin?
Yeah, I definitely have to agree with you. This has been my experience as well. I want to go to a different angle. I want to go to the employer who often sends us people for coaching. I think the biggest mistake an employer can make is to send us people with the mindset of we gotta help fixing the person. As coaches, we are not here to fix people. We are here to help people to become the best possible version of themselves. And this is just a completely different mindset. It's the realization that we are all human beings, we all have our shortcomings. I have yet to meet the perfect person. So, this is definitely not the right approach. And I have actually stopped working with those kind of clients who have this mindset because it's just a recipe for disaster.
Great insights, Karin. Thank you for sharing.
So this was our thought for today. And we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.